Right now, let's check out some fit food for Christmas. Here's our health coach, Paola Henderson.
Hi, I am Paola Henderson, your health coach on Cup of Joe, Fit Food for Christmas. So today we are talking about apples and we're going to cook with it. But today I want to show you what to do with apples when you have leftover turkey, right? Apples are a great way to help balance your blood sugars. It's a great way to add in vitamins if you don't take any. And it comes to Trinidad all year round, and especially at Christmas you would notice that they are crispier. Today I'm using the granny apple, right? This one is really good to use in a savory dish. So today I'm just gonna put together a simple salad that you can do with your leftover turkey or leftover any ingredients that you have for leftovers over the Christmas. So I have some chopped up turkey here. I will just place it into this bowl. I've chopped up my green apple. I advise for it not to get brown that you squeeze a little bit of lime or lemon over it. That's a good trick for the color not to turn brown. I've also chopped up some green peppers and red peppers and yellow peppers and some chive in it. You also want to add in maybe cranberries or raisins. Pecans go really nicely with the apples and pair off really well. A little salt. And today I have put together some mayonnaise as well as some avocados that I had left over. You don't have to do the avocados, you could just do the mayo and you add it to the mix. And there you go. You just mix it in nicely. When it's done mixing, you just place the salad over some greens like this. Maybe throw a little garnish and serve.